Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add YouTube link to Instagram bio. Okay, let's start the video. Now first open your YouTube app, tap on profile icon, tap on view channel, tap on three dot menu, tap on share and tap on copy link. Now copy your YouTube link. Back on home screen. Now open your Instagram app. Tap on profile icon. Tap on edit profile. Tap on add link. Again tap on add link. Now paste your YouTube link and go to your title option, which subscribe channel. Now tap on right corner tick mark option. And finally add your YouTube link. Now back on profile. Finally, I hope solve your problem. Subscribe if you like the video. Thank you so much.